Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about a project on the data analysis that was assigned to me by the Sparks Foundation graduate rotational internship program. In first task we have to perform the exploratory data analysis on the dataset that was given to me by the Sparks Foundation. What I had to do, the task that I have to do was to perform the exploratory data analysis on the dataset, and as a business manager I will try to find out the weak areas where I can work on to make more profit. Also, the areas that are making loss to the company, we can work on those areas as well. But all business problems I can drive by exploring the data. Also, I have to perform this analysis using one of these tools: Python, R, Tableau, Power BI, Excel, SAP, SAS. So I chose Power BI. Let me take you guys to the dataset that was provided to me. Here is the Excel sheet of the Superstore. First of all, there is a ship mode, that how the products are being shipped, either first class or second class. Then there is the segment in which the products are being sold, their corporate, consumer or head office. Then there is the location in which products are being sold. Then there are categories of the products and subcategories. Then we can see the sales or the revenue generated by those products, the quantity of products, discount on them, and the profit or loss generated by each product in each category and subcategory. So based on this data, I performed the analysis to make it sense and made a dashboard in Power BI. Here we can see that the data has three main categories and 17 subcategories. The quantity of the products that were sold is 37,820. The revenue generated by all the products was 2.3 million, and the profit generated by those products was 286,000 and 2400. So I divided the profit by category and subcategories, and the sales by ship mode and the subcategories. I have also derived the loss making cities, the cities in which the products were making most of the loss, and the subcategories that were making most of the loss. So let me take you to the Power BI dashboard. Here we can see that there are three categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. The technology is making most of the profit, more than 50%. Then there comes the office supplies, that is making 42% of the profit. And last but not the least, the furniture is making 6.44% of the profit. We can also see the subcategories in which copiers and phones and accessories that are part of technology are making most of the profit. And we can also see that the tables and bookcases that are part of the furniture are making most of the losses. We can also see that the standard glass in ship mode is making most of the sales. Then comes the second class, and at the third place there is first class, that is contributing to 15.3% of the sales. You can also see here that the phones are making most of the sales, but they are not making most of the profit. They are at second number in profit making. Also, we can see that the cities that are making loss are Philadelphia, that is making 13.84 K loss, then there is Houston, then San Antonio, and last there is Lancaster. So what are the key findings? I have listed those findings in the slides. First of all, the furniture category generated the least profit, with subcategories bookcases and tables are experiencing losses of 3.5K and 17.3K respectively. Then there is significant sales losses were recorded in the cities of Philadelphia, Houston, San Antonio, and Lancaster that I have told you earlier. And additionally, the supplies subcategory within the office supplies incurred a loss of 1.15K. In the top loss cities, even the best selling products underperformed, gathering low overall sales and contributing to the overall losses. So here we can see that the copiers are making most of the profits. If we click here, they are not making that much of the profit in Philadelphia and Houston. If we come to the phones, we can see that in Philadelphia there is 3.5K dollar loss in the phones category as well. So what are the proposed solutions? Devise strategies for loss making categories. Analyze and address the issues in furniture category, especially bookcases and tables that were making most of the losses. Adjust pricing, or we can reduce the inventory or discount or discontinue the underperforming products. Implement targeted marketing campaigns to boost the sales. At the second number, what we can do, we can focus on the high performance products and cities. So the products that are making us most of the profit, we can focus on those products only, and the cities that are generating most of the sales and profits, we can focus on those cities only and replicate those successful strategies from high profit cities in the underperforming ones. We can also tailor marketing efforts to address the specific needs in top loss cities, offering promotions and discounts. And at the third number, we can enhance data driven decision making. So, as we see, we have performed the data analysis, and that is telling us a story of each category and subcategory and of different cities. We can also see the cities that are generating loss. So we can use the advanced analytics to monitor sale performance and detect underperformance early, develop predictive models for accurate demand forecasting, gather customer and employees feedback to inform product offerings and operational improvements. Thank you.